Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of activated sludge process. Question will be given as biomass concentration is given as 2000 milligram per liter. It means that it will be the value of XOB. Okay. Now sludge volume after 30 minutes of settling in a 1000 ml graduated cylinder is 176 ml. It means that it will be the value of VOB. Now question is given as determine the sludge volume index, that is SVI. Now for the calculation of SVI, we know the formula that it will be the ratio of VOB upon XOB into 1000 and the value will be coming out as milliliter per gram. Okay. Now we know the value of VOB which will be equals to 176 ml. Okay. Now XOB value will be given in 2000 milligram per liter. For the conversion of milligram into gram, we need to multiply here 1000. Okay, so that value will be converted into milliliter per gram. Now what will be the value of SVI? It will be equals to 88 milliliter per gram. That will be the value of sludge volume index, and that will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.